beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely knotless jumbo box braid using this blue Brazilian wool to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. You can see I'm dragging the tip of the Brazilian wool. One is longer than one because I'm going to be adding beads towards the end of the braids one too, so that it can form like a pencil look, so that I won't use any band to hold it. If you don't want to add beads to yours, you can easily braid it down. I used 3 pack of Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle. Then each strand, I used 25 strands of Brazilian wool. I sectioned the 25 strand of Brazilian wool into two because you don't want to put that a lot of Brazilian wool into your crochet hook to uproot your hair. So you have to section it into two to be easier for you to crochet, and so that it won't tangle. You must section it into two, or else you are going to stress yourself. The Brazilian wool is going to tangle. So I don't like adding gel to the roots of my hairstyle because I want it to last longer. I don't want it to get rough. 2 weeks later, the hairstyle should be on fleek. So I'm going to be adding gel to the tip of my hair because my hair is kind of like afro kinky hair. My hair is a natural hair, so I have to blend it to hide it so that it won't peek through. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just braiding down towards the end of the Brazilian wool. I won't braid it finished because I'm going to be adding beads towards the end. Then I'm trimming all the excess. Can you see I'm done with the back? Oh, this tie came out so beautiful, more than even boot length. Do you know why I love using Brazilian wool? You can actually measure any length you want. I love using any length you want your braid to be. No need of me adding like attachment. If I want it to be very longer, I have to keep adding towards it. But this, you don't need that. Just measure the length you want. Make sure you buy enough, and that is all. You can see how I'm crocheting the Brazilian wool to my hair. You have to section it into two. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to your girl's channel. Support, please let this channel grow. Support, please like. I really appreciate it so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. And if you've not subscribed, why are you peeking through from the window? Why are you hiding? Join my fam by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I achieved 16 strand of this knotless braid, 16 jumbo box braid. So just adding 5 transparent beads towards the end of the braids, then tie it. I don't want to use elastic band. I don't want any black to be picking through towards the tip of this braid, because as I'm going, the beads will just be moving. Pam pam pam. I love this hairstyle so much. Okay, let's see the final look. Wow, this came out so beautiful, but I don't know what happened to my edge control. It's not really laying my hair perfectly where as I wanted. But let's just ignore the side. Can you see the length? Can you see the roots of the egg? In fact, this came out so beautiful. Can you see that? Oh my god, I love this hairstyle so much. Very lightweight, easy to pack, easy to rock, easy to sleep with. So that is all for this video. I just added some blue lipstick to add some spice. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share with your loved ones. Share, keep on sharing. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Child, love you. Mwah. Thank you for watching.